Do you know how to say the days and months in English? Let's learn them all with easy examples. Monday. Monday. I start school on Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. We have a meeting on Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. She goes to the gym on Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. They travel on Thursday. Friday. Friday. We relax on Friday. Saturday. Saturday. I visit my grandparents on Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. We rest at home on Sunday. January. January. January is cold in many countries. February. February. Valentine's Day is in February. March. March. Flowers begin to bloom in March. April. April. It often rains in April. May. May. We celebrate Mother's Day in May. June. June. School usually ends in June. July. July. Many people go to the beach in July. August. August. August is usually very hot. September. September. Students return to school in September. October. October. The leaves change color in October. November. November. It gets colder in November. December. December. We decorate trees in December. Spring. Spring. Spring is full of fresh flowers. Summer. Summer. Summer is a great time to swim. Autumn. Autumn. Autumn brings colorful leaves. Winter. Winter. Winter is the coldest season. Perfect! Now you can talk about days and months in English. Next, let's learn how to describe the weather.